What's going on, guys? Jack here, and today we're going to be taking a look at how you can increase your print-on-demand sales in general. Yeah, just your print-on-demand sales. Doesn't matter which site we're talking about. We're going to be talking about how you can improve your print-on-demand sales drastically using this one simple tip. But before we get right into the video, I just want to remind you that if you do like this video or find it useful whatsoever, please consider smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I will thank you kindly in the comment section if you would also like to comment down below. Alright, but with that being said, let's get right into the simple tip that you can use to increase your sales. So the tip is not that complicated actually. I'm not going to spend the whole video waiting to tell you what the tip is. The tip, really, it's just to upload to multiple platforms. That's the simple tip, and it is simple. But in this video, stay tuned, we're not done yet. I'm going to show you guys some sites you can upload to and why I think you should be uploading to multiple sites. Not every single one, you don't have to do that. But if you're struggling to make sales on, say, Redbubble or, TeePublic, one or the other, or both, then try another platform, try something new. And I'm going to show you guys some more options and some more alternatives you can use to try your print-on-demand skills at. However, that's a huge tip. Honestly, it's a very simple tip, but really you should just be uploading to multiple platforms. It may seem really obvious and you may think, whatever, but trust me, if you can upload to multiple platforms, you don't even have to find success on all of them. But when you see sales coming in on one or the other, or both of them, or multiple of them, you're going to be way more motivated to keep making designs and posting designs. And because you're more motivated, that also means you're making more sales, which is the end goal, right? So uploading to multiple platforms has some extreme benefits, along with keeping you motivated and making more sales, and also just diversifying where your income's coming from and not relying on just one source. Because I know a lot of people are going to be just on Redbubble or just on Spreadshirt, something like that. They're going to be on one platform, and if you're not diversifying, say your account gets in trouble, you get suspended, the website closes down, you are in the dust and you don't really have that much left to show for it. But when you've been building up multiple websites for multiple amounts of time, you have way more basically secure options. You have way more ways that you can basically come back from a hit, and you can actually keep going forward in your print-on-demand businesses. So this is why I think uploading to multiple websites fixes a lot of problems for print-on-demand sellers and just gives them a more stable stream of income in the end. And also, another option you could do is make your own store. That is another option. This isn't really that part of the video. I'm not really going to talk about that in this video, but that is another platform. It would be your own platform, and then you could basically drive traffic to there rather than the Redbubble or any other sites. But the reason you really want to use Redbubble or Merch by Amazon or TeePublic or Spreadshirt is because they do the traffic for you. That's the benefit of using these platforms. When you switch over to your own platform, they're not going to do, you're going to have to do that for yourself. So what I would suggest is uploading to multiple websites, and I'm going to show you guys a few still. And this way you have multiple websites driving traffic to your same listings, but they're targeting different people. They're all trying to basically target people for your designs, but they're all going to have less resources to focus on just your designs. So if you're on multiple platforms, you have multiple people trying to push your designs, and there's a way higher chance that you are going to basically take up more online real estate and get more sales. So two huge platforms, and this is one of two that I definitely would recommend selling on if you're not on them already, are Merch by Amazon. And Merch by Amazon is a crazy good platform. Basically, your shirts go on the Amazon marketplace. You have to choose which marketplace they go on because each marketplace takes up a slot out of your basically uploads. However, uploading to Merch by Amazon is a great idea because they do all the organic traffic for you, once again, like Redbubble, but instead of 30 million monthly visitors, they have billions of monthly visitors. And when your shirts are on Amazon and they're shipped by Amazon and made by Amazon, they have prime shipping. So this is also a huge opportunity. If you're not on Merch by Amazon, definitely get on Merch by Amazon. And this is one huge platform that I would not want anyone to miss out on if they have the opportunity to. Another huge platform that I do not want anyone to miss out on is Etsy. Etsy is another huge game changer for print on demand. You sell your shirts on here for huge profits, like $10, $15, rather than like the $4 or $5 you see on Redbubble on a good day from a shirt. These profit margins are way higher, and Etsy has hundreds of millions of monthly visitors. So another huge platform that I definitely highly recommend. And if you're thinking about, looking at different platforms, Etsy is a huge one. If you can't get on a merch by Amazon, I would do Etsy. Etsy is probably my main platform right now. Redbubble's second, but Etsy's just so huge, and the way you rank for shirts on Etsy organically is very, very easy. So definitely would highly recommend Etsy as well. So I mentioned TeePublic earlier. TeePublic is just a website that is very similar to Redbubble. It's really easy to upload your designs over here. They let you do 50 a day, so to catch up with your Redbubble designs won't take that much effort. Just posting every day on TeePublic manually. It doesn't even take that long. You can use auto uploaders, but if you want to do it manually and you want to just upload to a few other platforms, then TeePublic is probably the easiest one to upload, I'd say, especially compared to Redbubble or Teespring, but I wouldn't go the Teespring route, at least not in this moment. But yeah, TeePublic, another great platform. I would highly recommend using them. They get around 5 to 12 million a month, I believe, monthly visitors. So a good amount of monthly visitors, not as much as Redbubble, but the competition is not quite as fierce, and they do organic free traffic once again. Also, some people might mention that TeePublic has not enabled their listings in the marketplace, but I found that TeePublic Marketplace, you have to search basically for the tags, and the tags are a lot harder to get found for because there are a little bit more listings in there. However, TeePublic doesn't really go off title for searching. They go off tags and other keywords, and your description. So it's kind of weird the way that works. However, something to note is that I emailed TeePublic because, I couldn't find my designs in the marketplace. And they emailed back saying, due to some issues, my designs might not be in the marketplace. They didn't really say that specifically my listings were not on the marketplace, but it kind of sounded like they did. And a lot of people have got this email before. Something I want to address though is that 2 days after I got this email, I posted a shirt about a week before the email, and that shirt sold 2 days after that email. So that just goes to show that even though, you may think, TeePublic is screwing me, a lot of the times you're just not making sales. You might be getting views, or you might not be getting views, but a lot of times your designs are on TeePublic and you're not getting sales because, that's just how it goes. There's not many people on TeePublic coming compared to Redbubble. So the amount of views you see over there will be less, and the amount of sales you see over there might also be less. But TeePublic has brought me in a couple bucks, so I definitely would highly recommend uploading to them. It's worth the extra effort just to put yourself on another platform, and TeePublic is probably the easiest one to upload to manually. So once again, I would highly suggest TeePublic as well. Last but not least on the list for today, I would suggest Spreadshirt. I actually haven't really started selling on Spreadshirt, but I've heard a lot of good things about them, and I know they do organic traffic and have brought people who are selling on Redbubble and TeePublic some sales. So if you're thinking about another platform, you want some more options, Spreadshirt's another option. There are like 10 to 20 to 30 to 40 other options for print-on-demand shops, print-on-demand websites. However, I'm not going to list them all in this video. If you want to know more, I'm sure you can find a lot of videos on the internet about them, including one that I did about the 5 best websites. But as you know, you already seen pretty much all the websites in this video of that video. But if you want to know more of my reasoning behind each website, then definitely go check out the 5 best websites for print on demand. I'll put the link in the description. But yeah, Spreadshirt's another option if you want to go that route. And you could go to all of the sites. You could upload to all of the sites. You really could, and it would not be a bad idea. But I think sticking to Etsy and Merch by Amazon, those two, having one of those as your main platform is going to see the most success because there's so much traffic coming to them. So if you can succeed on one of those platforms, your level of income is going to be much, much higher because of the fact that the snowball effect, where you make one sale, you can make another, is much more effective when there's so many people to jump on that snowball of basically sales, and you hop on like the existing sales, it pops up higher in search results, and the higher you are in search results on these huge platforms like Etsy and Amazon, especially Amazon, the amount of people that come to your shop or your listings is absolutely ridiculous. So that's why I highly recommend sticking to one of those two as your main and having all these other ones still as options and still uploading to them. And if you're struggling on any of the platforms, then try another platform alongside the platform you're already on. And that is a huge tip. That is a huge way that you can increase your sales very simply. And it does take a little bit of effort. Yes, it does take a little bit of effort. And it is kind of annoying to upload, I know. But it honestly is the truth. If you want some success on some other sites or you want to increase your sales, then try some other sites and do them alongside the sites you're already doing. Alright guys, it's been your friend Jack. That's the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please smash the like button real hard. And with that being said, if you made it to this point in the video, comment down below winner. Alright, comment down below winner if you made it to this point in the video. And with all that being said, once again, I said that like 7 times now. I'm not even going to cut it. But it's been your friend Jack. Keep striving, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next freaking video. Peace.